everyone, it's Karen, and do you want to learn how to make big money online as a broke beginner in 2020 and make commissions like this and this and this? I've been able to make more in one day than I have on my job as a physical therapist, working 40 hours a week for 2 weeks. And with this COVID pandemic, you can use this money to make ends meet, or it could turn into a full-time income for you. You just have to put in the work. But anybody can do this. You don't need any skills, and the best part is it's completely free. If you're excited, comment down below. Make money online, and we're getting started right now. Okay, first of all, I want to share some results from this method that I've gotten, just a few. The first one here is in my Kartra affiliate back office, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh the screen here. And let's go ahead and go down to YouTube automation and all time. You can see that right here when this product launched, I did a video, a review video, and I made over $4,000 just in that time frame right there. And then here I'm going to blur out some of the personal information here, but this is another review video that I did, and I made two $11,000 sales so far. And this one here is another review video that I did, and refresh the screen there. I made over $3,000 with that one. Those are just a few to share with you that this method absolutely does work, and just a little bit about my story to help you know that you can do this too. I definitely am an introvert. I've been a physical therapist for 30 years and started online marketing about 11 years ago because I decided maybe I didn't want to be a physical therapist anymore and wanted to work for myself. But anyway, I did some online marketing for quite a few years and had some results, and then I had to quit everything for a few years due to some family reasons, and then I came back online in 2018 and decided I was really wanted to make this work. So I found myself a mentor. I actually found him on YouTube and joined a program that he was with, and his training taught YouTube marketing, and that was the least likely thing for me to do because me being an introvert, but it was actually the best marketing method that I've found, and there's a lot of personal growth that goes with that. So I promise you can do this. You don't have to have any experience. You can learn this, and you can have some really, really good results. So we are going to talk about having a review channel on YouTube. Now, this is not as difficult as you may think, and everyone starts from somewhere. You probably won't be that good at the beginning, and then you get a lot better at it. These are just some examples of review channels. The first one is Jesse Singh. And you can see that he only does reviews pretty much on his channel, and he has over 18,000 subscribers. So this does work because he puts up videos very frequently, like almost every single day. And then the next one is Rory Singh, and you can see that he puts up videos very regularly, and his are all on reviews as well. And then we have Aaron Chen. He actually has two review channels. This is one of them, Internet Marketing Reviews. And you can see he does a lot of reviews very frequently as well. So this method does work, and they are all doing very, very well with this method. Before we get on to why review channels work so well, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do that and click the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. So let's talk about why do review channels work so well. Okay, people are looking to buy something, and they just want a little bit more information before they make a decision to buy or not. So maybe they've heard about this product or company on an email list or on Facebook, or someone's approached them with this opportunity or product, and they want to know more about it. Like, is it legitimate? What does it involve? How much does it cost? All kinds of questions. And so they go to YouTube or they go to Google and they search that particular product plus review. And so you're just getting in front of people who are already looking for something and then giving them what they want. And people are grateful to have that information, and they gain your trust, because remember, when you're out there looking for information and you find exactly what you want to help you make a decision, you really like that the person did that, and that you can learn more information about what it is that you want to buy. So you're probably wondering, where do I find topics? Well, first of all, you can see what people are promoting on Facebook. That's a really good place to go, because there's all kinds of people out there promoting different programs in groups and just on their Facebook wall. And you can also join a marketer's email list and see what they promote. Also look at your spam email, because there's a lot of programs that will be promoted in there in your spam email. You can review ClickBank products. I've had a lot of success with that. You can review Digistore 24 products. You can review Warrior Plus products, JVZoo products. Also products that are new on the market. That's where I've made the most money. For example, that YTA method right here. I saw that they were doing Facebook ads for it, and I actually did purchase the product, and I think it's a really good product. But I went over to YouTube and I searched to see if anyone had done a review on it. No one had done it. So I went ahead and did a review. I ranked #1 for it for a while, and that's where I made all these sales. I never spoke with anyone. They just went, they saw my review, and they purchased the product. So when you can do a review of something that a lot of people are going to be looking for, and you rank #1 because no one else has a video up about it, then you can get a lot of good traffic. Same thing with MLM companies. So if there's a brand new company that comes out and you do a review on it, that's really good because you may rank #1 for it. Before we get on to exactly how you're going to do this, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. The second link will be how to start a profitable YouTube channel in great detail. There's an excellent webinar on that. So what you're going to do is, first of all, create an outline, because if you're brand new at this, you're going to stumble over your words or forget what you're going to say. So if you have it in an outline, that's the best. You can just sit there and read it, basically. And I use Canva, canva.com. You can just go in there and click on outline or presentation and then create an outline, and there's other, of course, software that you can use for that. You want to talk about the company, facts, like the owner, how long they've been in business. You want to talk about what the products are, what the cost is, the pros and the cons. And you can do that on a screen recording like Screencast-O-Matic. That's completely free. I use Camtasia. But you want to just think about all the things. If you want to purchase a product or join a company, what do you want to know? And just give somebody all the information that they would want to know before they purchase something. And then you're going to have a call to action to check out your #1 recommendation for making money. Or if you're reviewing a product that you're actually promoting, then you'll, of course, have a link to that product that you're reviewing. And then as you get better, you can offer bonuses with that to help someone to make a decision. So let's say you are going to promote a Warrior Plus product that just came out and you're going to do a review on it. Then you can offer bonuses with that to help someone to make a decision to purchase from you. And if you want to get an idea of how to do a review video, go to my channel here and just type in review, and you can see the outlines that I use and how I structure it. And it was pretty much the same every time I did a review, just what I included in it. And people have found it to be very, very helpful. And so you can, again, use mine as an example. Just some tips for you on this method is you have to be very consistent, and I would say have a regular upload schedule. There was a time where I did a review video every single day for an entire year. Actually, it was more than a year. So that is good, but that's really hard to maintain. So I would say if you could do it at least twice a week, put up a video of some sort of review. You can kind of have it outlined for the month what your reviews are going to be. And then if you could put them up at the same time, that helps the algorithm. Also, you want to have a lead capture page to build your email list. So as you're directing people to your #1 recommendation, it's ideal if you have a lead capture page so you can capture someone's email and be able to market to them. They may not be interested right away, but you're building that know, like, and trust factor, so they may purchase from you down the road. Or some people purchase right away, like I was telling you about this product right here, the YTA method. I didn't have a lead capture page for that. I just used the affiliate link that they gave me, which directed people to a webinar, and then people purchased after that. But it's very beneficial if you do have a lead capture page. Also, if you email your list your videos, that way they can get to know you, and that also helps to build your YouTube channel. And you can switch out your offer in all your videos by using ClickMagick, which is what I use. So imagine you have like 900 videos up like I do, and you decided you wanted to change your #1 recommendation. Rather than going back to all 900 of your videos, you could use ClickMagick. So this is the link in the description below my video, freedomfromworkdays.com/top recommend, because that's my domain name inside of ClickMagick. But you see this primary URL right here. That goes to my #1 recommendation right now, and I can switch that out whenever I want to. So if you had different programs that you were promoting, you could switch them out or have them on some sort of rotation. So I wanted to give you some ideas of what to promote. There's two that I want to mention to you. Inside of Digistore 24, which anyone can join this for free, and it is good for people who are international as well. But if you go inside of here, go to the marketplace and click on Internet Marketing and E-Business. It'll be the first one that comes up here, Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. And he has 9 or 10 YouTube channels that are all monetized, and he makes $30,000 a month, but he shows people how to create faceless YouTube channels and automate them by outsourcing it. It's excellent. I own this product, and he has a really great webinar that you direct people to. But it looks like he may have increased the price, because it says $9.97, even though over here it says earnings is $175. But I've made several sales with this before he increased the price, so it was like $230 commission that I would earn. But it looks like, again, that he has just updated it to $9.97, so you would earn 50% of that. It is an excellent course, and it does convert very well, so you just get your promo link here. And then the second one that I wanted to mention to you is Jonathan Montoya's Freedom Breakthrough. This is an incredible course, and it just came out, so this is something really good to promote. Now, at least for now, it's free to become an affiliate. I will leave a link in the description below the video. You have to have my JV link to join the affiliate program. But let me share with you what this product is all about. Jonathan was able to leave his job recently, and this is a program that he put together that really helps people to have everything they need to build an affiliate marketing business. So if we scroll down here, I'm going to share with you what is in it here. You would find out how to pick the perfect affiliate niche, how to create a website, so he shows you how to create a blog, how to get on the first page of Google. That's with Nathan Lucas, who is Freedom Influencer, if you know him from YouTube. How to create an affiliate funnel, how to master email marketing, free traffic with Facebook, YouTube SEO mastery. So he has everything in here. He's got TikTok. He has paid traffic with Google and YouTube ads, paid traffic with TikTok ads, paid ads with Facebook, LaunchJack Mastery. That's where you get in front of a product that's going to be launching and you do a review on it. And you can make tons of money doing that. Then he has some bonuses from some really great super affiliates. Alex Branding Affiliate Offer Secrets, how to structure the perfect affiliate offer. And then Jonathan was just telling me about this one here. If you really want to leave your job in the near future, listen to Joshua, High Ticket Facebook Organic Sales Mastery. So they close sales through Facebook Messenger, and there's a certain procedure that you want to follow for this to be very effective. And then he has Paul Motley, how to win a ClickFunnels dream car. But there is so much in this program. It's absolutely incredible. So what you would do is you would send people to this webinar, and then the product is $997, so you get 50% of that if someone purchases the product. So again, I will leave a link in the description below the video for you to sign up if you want to as an affiliate for this program. So I shared with you a way that you can make a lot of money online. So I hope you go out there and take action, because this really can change your life. And let's go ahead and continue the learning with this next video, how to make thousands of dollars reading out loud. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.